What's up, my lovers? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment down below, and hit the notification bell so that you can be notified every single time I upload a video. And that's how you also become an official low rider. You guys, today I'm going to be doing a cleaning my bathroom, but it's already kind of clean. So you know how people do makeup and they'll put a lot of makeup on. They said they're doing a light beat. This is going to be a light clean. Not that much to do. But yeah, that bathtub, child, it's not dirty. It's just going in there. But I think I found a way to make it easier for me. I think I found a way. You guys will see when I'm cleaning the bathtub out. So with that being said, the bathroom is going to get done. My room is already done, you guys. As you guys can see, my room is already done. There's no laundry is already done. I need to get some paper towels so that I can clean the mirrors off because I always run out of paper towels. But with that being said, you guys sit back, relax, and watch me clean. And if you feel like cleaning with me, clean with me. Just clean with me. That's all I gotta say. Clean with me. My low rise, let me tell you something. That was a good idea. Using my mop to clean the bathtub. I don't really have to bend all the way down in there. And then the other thing that I have really doesn't get the bathtub clean like that. So I said, let me try my mop head. And it worked wonders. I loved it. I'm going to keep doing it this way. Okay, you guys, everything is done. Bathroom is clean. And this was, you know how people do makeup and they say they're not doing a lot? Doing a light beat. This was a light clean. A light clean. And that's that. Room is already clean, you guys. Okay. Of course, the beauty room is clean. That's ready for the clients. And laundry room. There's no laundry to be done. Done with all that. And I'll see you guys later today. Okay, you guys remember this wig that I did yesterday? One of my clients' wigs that she left here. And this one that I did yesterday also. And I said, which one do you think she's going to wear? You would have guessed wrong, because she came with something else. I didn't do the install because I forgot on camera. But look at this barely flip. Oh, the barely bump, you guys. She thinks she crude. She knows she crude. And I gotta tell y'all something about her in a few minutes. Let me finish her hair, and then we can tell it, cause I'ma bring this shit into true motherfucking issue. Okay, my little riders. She said she was gonna make me another jingle for my YouTube channel, for my intro. I'm not. Anywho, she did the first one, and it's bum. She came up there at the top of the dome. Now she wanna ask me what I don't. You know what I do. She know what I do. So yeah, she over there thinking, you guys. She be thinking.
I've been thinking.
See, and she can sing, you guys. And I'm just gonna put this out there, because if I say it, she gonna do it.
What?
Your YouTube channel with your music. And I can't post her music because her music is
Copywritten.
it's copywritten.
Turn it around. Let me tell Facebook. Hey, Facebook and YouTube and everybody else. This is Lene. I am a vocalist in Las Vegas. Anything that I post, I am giving Lola permission to use. If there's any questions, reach out to me via Gmail, YouTube, Facebook, all my socials. So she has permission. Do not block her. Do not mute her. She is okay to use.
You hear that, YouTube? Anyway, okay, you guys, let me get back to business. Remember, I did her other two wigs yesterday actually, and I asked you guys to tell me which one you thought she was going to pick. Well, she came with another one, so guess what? You would have been wrong. I would have been wrong. So yeah, we just does what we does. Ooh, we love the way we touch. I love the way it feels. We usually have a concert. Look, I'm gonna let it go. Don't play with me. We'll give them a whole damn concert.
No doubt about it, that's the love I feel this real. Ask me to go with you.
She's always giving little teasers. But then if I don't say nothing and I'm just doing her hair, she'll go on and on and on. But y'all gonna see more of her, you guys. You guys gonna see more of her. Anyway, I'm gonna end this video because she has somewhere to go, and so do I. Yeah, she gotta go to work. So she gotta go to sleep.
Gotta go to work.
She gotta get that money, honey. No.
I just thought about it right now. I'm like, huh?
No, but anyway, that's the end of this video. You guys saw me clean my bathroom earlier, and I told you that my customer's coming, and we thought she was gonna pick one of those, but she didn't. She came with a new one.
Yeah.
And that's cool too. You know, I didn't show me doing the install on her, because when she got here, we were talking. I took her braids down, gave her fresh braids underneath. Then I just put the wig on, installed the wig. So with that being said,
she's also a therapist, everybody.
What?
She's also a therapist.
I am.
She be saving lives over here when you're getting your hair done. Because if it wasn't for her, man, you wouldn't be seeing me on this live right here.
No, we ain't gonna do no cell block H. None of that. We have overcome the beating a nigga down to the ground. Anywho, you guys, thanks for watching. If you made it all the way to the end, send me some hearts, some turquoise hearts, okay? Thanks for watching. And if you haven't subscribed already, do so. And I'll see you in the next one.